We've all been there waiting. Watching the minutes crawl by as our electric car slowly recharges. The promise of clean energy sometimes comes with a price, time. But what if waiting wasn't part of the journey? What if you could refuel your electric vehicle in the time it takes to grab a coffee? The world is about to witness a transformation that could make range anxiety a thing of the past. Imagine cities where charging stations hum quietly in the background, where drivers never stop to plug in, they simply swap and go. This isn't science fiction, it's the next leap in electric mobility. Across Asia, Europe, and now the US, engineers are reinventing the way we think about energy on wheels. The question isn't if it will happen, but how fast the revolution will spread. Beneath sleek steel platforms, robotic arms work with precision, detaching, replacing, and securing a fresh battery in under 3 minutes. No cables. No waiting. Just automation powered by AI and machine vision. This is the heart of the EV battery swapping revolution, where technology meets the speed of convenience. Underneath every electric vehicle lies a hidden world of engineering. Battery modules slide like puzzle pieces, guided by algorithms that ensure safety and precision. Sensors monitor temperature, voltage, and torque all in milliseconds. This is the choreography of innovation, invisible to the eye, but changing how we move forever. For drivers, the experience feels effortless. Step inside, grab a drink, and before you can finish your thought, your car is ready. Transparent walls reveal robotic arms gliding like performers in a futuristic ballet. Battery swapping isn't just convenience, it's the art of engineering, turned into everyday comfort. Highways are evolving. Stations line the routes like energy oases, each ready to give drivers a fresh charge in moments. A network powered by clean energy and synchronized logistics ensures that your journey never stops. The age of waiting is giving way to an era of motion, seamless, continuous, electric. From Shanghai to Berlin, from Dubai to San Francisco, a new grid is forming. Digital arteries of energy connect continents through standardized battery designs. What once seemed impossible global EV mobility is now being built one swap at a time. At the center of this revolution lies intelligence. AI-powered systems track every battery, predict demand, and balance the energy grid. Machines decide where power flows, ensuring no vehicle runs empty. This invisible brain behind the swap network makes the impossible, instantaneous power feel ordinary. Beyond the cities, the revolution expands. Solar and wind-powered stations rise in remote towns and highways, ensuring sustainable travel for all. For the first time, electric mobility isn't just urban luxury, it's rural empowerment, connecting communities through clean energy. The logistics world is watching closely. Electric trucks and fleets, once limited by long charging times, now refuel in minutes. Battery swapping hubs for heavy-duty vehicles are reshaping the backbone of commerce, faster, cleaner, unstoppable. Picture a future where every battery swap station doubles as an energy hub, storing solar power by day and delivering it by night. Each swap is more than a recharge, it's a handshake with the planet, proving sustainability and speed can finally coexist. But what happens to the old batteries? In advanced labs, engineers give them a second life, recycling precious materials, reducing waste, and refining the circular economy of energy. The revolution doesn't end on the road, it continues in the lab, where every cell gets a chance to live again. The pioneers are racing ahead. Brands like Tesla, NIO, and BYD are unlocking faster, modular, and universal battery designs. Each innovation brings us closer to a standard that works across borders, across models, and across the future. In Tokyo, sleek robotic stations operate underground. In Dubai, solar swap hubs shimmer under desert light. In San Francisco, automated lanes prepare for high-speed swaps. This is a global movement powered by visionaries, built for everyone. Imagine the open road, no cables, no countdown timers, just infinite motion. Families, fleets, and travelers move freely across continents powered by clean, instant energy. This is more than innovation. It's freedom redefined. The era of waiting is over. The journey begins beyond range.
Thanks for watching Kargala. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. For more amazing car reviews, stay with us for the latest supercars.